Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's videos I'm gonna use egg curtains because clean lightweight curtains are easily divided into planting cells, and also egg curtains are too simple to plant that even young child can plant a junior garden. For this I'm gonna mix the garden soil properly, and then I'm gonna place these egg curtains on it. I am choosing spinach seeds because I want leafy vegetables in my garden as well. So for this I'm gonna place all these egg curtains on the soil properly and adjust them their bottoms on the soil, upper soil. Okay guys, now I'm gonna fill your individual egg cups about half full with soil and ground mixture. Now it's time to add some seeds properly. Cover the seeds within a thin layer of soil or a ground mixture.